Hi and welcome to another one of my cocktail vlogs. Today I'm going to show you a Oaxaca Forever. So this is a Mezcal cocktail, so it's going to add a lot of smokiness to it. I guess it's kind of inspired from a Negroni. It's got those bitter flavors, but with a Mezcal base instead of gin. So as I said, really smoky. This one was first shared on Distinguished Spirits. I'm not going to go into the background of the drink itself a lot, because the reason being is I would like you to go check out his channel. Awesome channel, a lot of great cocktails, and he's starting to do more frequent uploads recently. So check it out up here. Really simple drink, 3 ingredients, and it's built straight into the glass. So first of all, start off with your Mezcal, 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. Followed by a Coffee Liqueur, so 3/4, 22.5 mils. There's Antipodes, an Australian organic coffee liqueur. And the original recipe calls for Fernet Vallet, but it's quite hard to come across, especially in Australia. This is a good substitute. Cynar, half an ounce, 15 mils. Add ice to your glass and stir for 20-30 seconds. This one is going to be pretty potent, so you want to make sure you stir it down quite a bit. Add some dilution, get it really cold. Of course, if you prefer, you could do it in a mixing glass and then strain over fresh ice. If you could smell this drink, it's so smoky right now, and it smells super potent. So there you have the Oaxaca Forever. Cheers. And for about the 6th, 7th time so far this video, smoky, smell the bitterness from the coffee. If you're a Mezcal fan, this 3 ingredient cocktail is just going to blow your mind. Really good, potent, but something ideal for sipping on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.